how to turn off ask before downloads on Samsung and internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off ask before downloads on Samsung internet browser. First, then open the browser and then click these three lines here in the bottom corner. Click on it and click settings and scroll down until you find sites and downloads, and here you will find ask before starting downloads. All you need to do to turn it off, just click on it one click, and as you see here, ask before starting downloads have been turned off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.